Top national news. India-US trade deal talks intensified as Ma reveals 8 Modi-Trump conversations in 2025. Budget session of Parliament from January 28, Union Budget on February 1st. TMC MPs stage protest outside Home Ministry office over raids on IPAC, detained. Indian economy set to grow at 6.6%, UN report. Land for job scam, Delhi court directs framing of charges against Lalu Prasad Yadav, Rabri Devi. Government to roll out vehicle-to-vehicle communication to reduce accidents. Karnataka steps up measures to tackle human-wildlife conflict. Kashmir leaves under extreme cold as night temperatures drop below 0 degrees across valley. PM Modi to participate in Omkar mantra chanting at Somnath temple during Gujarat visit. Mamta Banerjee targets BJP at Kolkata rally, slams centre over IPAC raids. 8 killed, 5 hurt after private bus rolls downhill in Himachal's Sirmaur district. Madras High Court halts CBFC clearance, Vijay's Jana Nayagan release delayed. Top court pulls up Sharmila Tagore, calls her views on stray dogs, detached from ground reality. Top international headlines. Iran, at least 42 dead as protests intensify, nationwide internet blackout into force. Iran will not back down, Khamenei warns protesters, foreign backers. Will shoot first, ask questions later, Denmark's Greenland warning to US. Russia strikes Ukraine with Oshnak ballistic missile, one of its most advanced weapons. NASA crew to make rare early return after medical issue in space. Japan to test deep-sea rare earth mining to cut China reliance. Storm Goretti knocks out power for hundreds of thousands across Europe. Stray dogs case, Supreme Court refuses to examine allegations of harassment of women dog feeders. Supreme Court refuses to examine allegations of harassment of women dog feeders. Supreme Court on Friday said it would not go into the allegations of harassment of women dog feeders and caregivers by purported anti-feeder vigilantes since it was a law and order issue and the aggrieved persons could lodge furs about it. Uttar Pradesh government installs CCTV monitoring in over 4,300 cow shelters. The Uttar Pradesh government has accelerated efforts to strengthen monitoring, management, and infrastructure at cow shelters across the state. Out of a total of 6,718 rural cow shelters spread across 75 districts, CCTV-based monitoring systems have been installed at 4,366 shelters in 65 districts so far. World food prices deep in December but still up in 2025, UN's FAO says. World food prices declined for a fourth consecutive month in December, mostly pressured by dairy, meat and vegetable oil prices, marking the lowest average since January 2025, the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization said on Friday. Aid raids on IPAC, Bengal government files caveat in Supreme Court. The West Bengal government has filed a caveat in the Supreme Court seeking that no order should be passed without hearing it in connection with Enforcement Directorate raids against political consultancy firm IPAC. A caveat is filed by a litigant in the High Courts and the Supreme Court to ensure that no adverse order is passed against it without it being heard. Greenland's party leaders firmly reject Trump's push for US control of the island. Greenland's party leaders have rejected US President Donald Trump's repeated calls for the US to take control of the island, saying that Greenland's future must be decided by its people. We don't want to be Americans, we don't want to be Danes, we want to be Greenlanders, Greenland Prime Minister Jens Fredrik Nielsen and 4 party leaders said in a statement on Friday, January 9, 2026, night.